A small water pump would take 2 hours to fill an empty tank. A large would take, mine says 1,212 hour. I'm guessing that's a typo. It's a larger pipe or pump, so I'm guessing maybe that should be 1/2. That's the way I'm going to work it. So this is a work problem, and I've got pump 1 and pump 2, and then I've got together. All right, so pump 1 takes 2 hours. This is my time column. And pump 2, I'm guessing, takes 1/2 hour. And we're trying to figure how long to fill it if they work together. So that's always going to be an X. Now these are times if the pumps are working by themselves. And if you want to represent pump 1 working with another pump, you take the reciprocal of the time. Just do it. That's 1/2. Pump 2, 1 over 1/2 is 2, and then 1 over X. And your equation always comes from this rate column. So that's going to be 1/2 plus 2 equal 1 over X. And for once, I'm not going to clear my fractions first. I'm going to add 1/2 plus 2 and get 5/2 equal 1 over X. And then cross multiply, you get 5X equal 2, and X equals 2/5. And that answer is listed, so hopefully that was a 1/2.